Local news for Monday the 29th of July. Harlequin's King John Youth Theatre Company are through to the next round of the annual Theatre Fest competition. They won Best Youth Play yesterday in the Hut after 2 days of competition and will now progress through to the regional finals in August. The Climate Change Response or Zero Carbon Amendment Bill 2019 discussion will take place tonight at the Carterton Event Centre. Wairarapa MP Alistair Scott and Todd Muller MP, spokesman for climate change, and other panellists will tonight have a discussion and debate on the topic. 50 Shades of Green President Andy Scott has taken over from Mike Butterick as a group spokesman. Andy Scott was a founding member of the organisation, whereas Mike Butterick is making himself available for National Party selection. Mike became a member of the National Party a fortnight ago after encouragement from national MPs that he could be an effective spokesperson. And in sport, Martinborough are the 2019 Club Rugby champs after beating Gladstone 36-32 in a thrilling final at Trust House Memorial Park on Saturday. Greytown earlier won the Ryan Cup, beating Tuharangi in the Senior Reserve competition.